just minutes, minutes and seconds, in just seconds flat.